Good morning, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. It's John here with something a bit different today. A little bit of a van update, I suppose, is what you can call it. Here it is then. Here's the Royal Snail. And if you haven't watched the video on the Royal Snail and how it came to be, then there is a card up in the corner right now. So driving home from work yesterday, and it's inevitable, isn't it? I've gone and got a stone chip. Not on the bonnet, there's plenty of those, but on the windscreen itself. There's a debate at the moment that I've got ongoing with myself and the windscreen company as to if it is in the A zone. I don't think it is. I've had a good measure. A zone is all about the MOT tester as well, and view of the road and bits and pieces, and if the MOT test is high or tall, then it's different to a short MOT tester. So for me it's not in the view of the road, and I've had a measure. I don't think it's in the A zone, but either which way it's less than 5 pence, so they should be fixing it anyway. Here it is then. Here's the chip. It looks quite bad there, and actually so do I. And this video is a test video. It's the first time I'm filming in Super Duper K, so it might come out a little bit different. It might look good. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, here is the chip then, and it does look quite bad in the video there. In the screen, it's a good old bullseye. Effectively, truck in front of me, stone, smack, windscreen, bang. The usual story, isn't it? And I heard the noise, and you can normally tell from the noise. So there it is. There is my chip. I rang up my insurance company, which is Carol Nash for the van, if anyone's interested. And they said, yeah, do you know what? It's included in your cover. Go on this website. It's done from Auto Windscreens. It will cost you £10, and they will come and repair it. So I'm just waiting at the moment, this morning, which is why I'm doing the video, for my good friend John, who likes coffee and motorbikes, according to his profile on the website, to come and hopefully fix the windscreen this morning. We'll get some updates, see how it goes. He might say no, he might say yes. So the next time you hear my voice, it will be me talking about whether or not he's going to be repairing it or not. But if you've had a windscreen chip like that, they are definitely repairable. To put it into perspective, I had one on my A4 recently as well. Not necessarily as big. There it is. It's been repaired like that for, I say recently, a year maybe now, and that's doing all right. And there was quite a nasty one on the smart car. Here's the smart car, by the way. We've got some smart update videos coming. Can't even see it. Can't even see it. It's that good. Anyway, next time you hear my voice, hopefully we'll have an update on the windscreen. Right, well that's it then. It wasn't John from Auto Windscreens, it was Jack from Auto Windscreens. He's done a good job. He's done the chip, he's repaired it. It is now done and dusted. The van's been turned around because of the light, and you can see earlier in the video how bad it looked. There's some input bits in the video where you can see that I have put it in, but actually not looking too bad. There's still a little bit, you can still see the chip a little bit, but goodness me, that's much better. Let's have a look from inside. Oh, need to open the van. There we go. That's not too bad, is it? Can you see? Can you see that there? Please ignore the filthy condition of my van. It's something I'm going to be cleaning today, but that's it then. Job's a good one. Thanks to Jack from Auto Windscreens. He said, please excuse my dirty van. It's got dirty on the way Yeah, and Lincolnshire's back roads, I can't blame him. There's the chip then. There it was. There it is gone. Thanks for watching the video. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We've got some Proton stuff in the back. We'll do another video on that very soon. If you're not following me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and all the usuals, it's at John Coupland. All one word. Until next time, have a great day. And I hope you've enjoyed this little video of me having me chip repaired.